Welcome sa Dries TV. Kung interesado ka sa ganitong news, huwag kalimutang isubscribe ang ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat! Kinagulat ng lahat ang naging resulta ng Miss Universe 2025 at maraming mga netizen ang hindi sang-ayon dito. Ano nga kaya ang nangyari? Bakit si Miss Mexico ang nanalo? Gayong may mas deserving na ibad nito? Sasagutin natin yan. Mga sikat na personalidad hindi na nakapagtimbe, naglabas na din ng salawin sa nangyari ng resulta ng Miss Universe 2025. Sino-sino sila at ano ang kanilang mga nakakahindik na reaksyon? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Ilang mga celebrities at dating Miss Universe PH candidates di makapaniwala sa resulta ng Miss Universe kanina. Di makapaniwala ang ilang celebrities gaya ni na Unkabuggable star Vice Ganda, Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Gray, Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Michelle D at sikat na drag queen na si Marina Summers sa naging resulta ng Miss Universe 2025. Ayon kay Vice Ganda, hanggang sa Miss Universe ninakawan nyo ang Pilipinas, grabe, unacceptable. Samantalang si Catriona Gray naman ay nagtataka. Sabi niya, but also, wala namang bearing ng Q&A sa MU? Sabi naman ni Michelle D, I'm so confused, tara shot puno. Samantalang si Marina Summers naman ay hindi na rin po nakapagtimpi at ayon sa kanya, kasi Latino yung bagong owner. Gets? Teka, baka naman baliktad yung order ng ranking. Mexico and Thailand were the weakest in the 2 Q&A rounds. How does they end up in the top 2? With the actual Cote d'Ivoire fourth runner-up? What is happening? Pagtataka naman po ni Marina Summers. At maging si Winwin Marquez ay hindi na rin po nakapagtimpe, naglabas din po siya ng pahayag. Ayon sa kanya, wait, naglilinis lang ako ng mga nabasag ko ng mga plato. Yoko na. Ilan lamang po yan sa mga statement ng kilalang personalidad na kung saan ay nadismaya sa resulta ng Miss Universe 2025. Sa ngayon, wala pa pong pahayag ang pamunuan ng Miss Universe ukol dito. Samantalang inilabas naman ng Miss Universe updates ang tungkol dito sa naging statement ng resigned Miss Universe judge on the result of Miss Universe 2025. Ayon sa screenshot mula kay Omar Harfush, Miss Mexico is a fake winner. Omar Harfush declared yesterday exclusively on the American HBO 24 Hours before the Miss Universe final that Miss Mexico would win because Miss Universe owner Raul Rocha is in business with Fatima Bushpader. All details will be shown in May 2026. On HBO, Raul Rocha and his son urged me week ago in Dubai to vote for Fatima Bush because they need her to win because it will be good for our business, they said to me. So meaning, kung may katotohanan nga to, lumalabas po na may cooking show. Nawala yung spirit of competition dahil meron pala silang pinapaboran. Una pa lang, hindi na sana sila nagpa-competition kung alam na nila, una pa lang kung sino ang mananalo. Kung ganito lang din naman pala ang mangyayari every competition para sa Miss Universe, sana hindi na po tayo nagpapadala dyan ng contestant kung masasayang lamang din ng ganito. Kasi ang daming naghahanap ng rason kung bakit si Miss Mexico ang nakoronahan bilang isang Miss Universe 2025. Gayong mas merong deserving po na manalo at makoronahan. Isa na doon si Atisha Manalo. Sa costume, sa modeling, sa question and answer, magaling. Kaya sobrang nagulat po ang ating mga kababayan sa nangyaring resulta nakakatapos lamang ng Miss Universe 2025. Eto, meron pa tayong nabasa. Sabi ng isang netizen, totoo kaya to? Sabi dito, there's a deal between Raul and Bernardo Bosch Hernandez whom is connected to Mexico State Oil Company. And that places him in the petroleum and energy ecosystem in which Raul have a firm that includes energy and gas-related companies. They have a meeting of giving an investment to the oil company in Mexico in return for her daughter Fatima Bosch to win the national and then Miss Universe crown. And yes, it happened today. It's a win-win for Raul. He won't care whatever backlash he will get as his company will prosper as promise of petroleum and gas energy by Fatima Father. Kung may katotohanan man nga po ang mga lumalabas sa mundo ng social media, sobrang nakakasad. Sobrang nakaka-turn up kasi parang feeling ko lahat pwedeng gayahin. Sana hindi na lang sila nagpa-competition kung una pa lang 'di ba alam na po nila kung sino yung mananalo. Parang for formality na lamang yung ginawa nila kaya nagkaroon po ng mga coronation night, mga competition pero at the end, yung mananalo yung gusto nila. Samantalang ayon naman sa isang article, Miss Universe Judge exposes secret committees and rig votes. At least 2 judges have dropped out before the final in Thailand on Friday. One alleged to the Times that the 30 finalists were predetermined. Harpouch announced that he was also withdrawing the musical performance he had prepared for the competition and was engaging legal counsel in New York. He said he was looking into filing a formal complaint with the Office of the Attorney General against the US-based Miss Universe organization, alleging proud abuse of power, corruption, deception, breach of contract, conflict of interest and emotion, and reputational damages. Shinare ito ni Omar Harpouch, sabi dito, the whole world has just seen the 15 fake finalists. It is exactly the same one I was told about a few days ago and are starting to understand that I did well to denounce the proud. And chinek ko nga po yung article na to kung kailan to, parang 2 days ago or 1 day ago lang. And exactly, si Miss Mexico nga po ang nanalo. So, deserve po na mag-file ng formal complaint with the Office of the Attorney General against the US-based Miss Universe organization. Kasi hindi na po ito matatawag na competition kung merong dayaan. Nangloloko sila ng tao, corruption, deception, breach of contract, bawal na bawal yan. So sana hindi na lang sila nagpa-competition kasi hindi ito matatawag na competition. Noon pa man naririnig-rinig ko na po ang mga ganitong issue. Kay Michelle D pa lamang nakatutok na po ako sa Miss Universe. And ganyan na ganyan din po ang naging issue. Pero yung nakoronahan nung taon na yun, deserve naman niya kasi magaling. Pero yung ngayong Miss Universe 2025, pilit naming hinahanap kung saan siya magaling pero hindi po talaga eh. Wala kaming makita kung bakit siya po yung napili at koronahan ng Miss Universe 2025. Kahit sino po ang tanongin ninyo, wala silang makitang rason kung bakit siya ang tinanghal na Miss Universe. Gayong merong mas deserving po na manalo at makoronahan. Pera-pera na lang ba? Wala na bang saysay yung Q&A? Sabi nga po nitong si Catriona Gray. Sana lumabas po ang katotohanan at mabigyan ng hustisya ang nangyaring resulta sa Miss Universe 2025. So anong say nyo po dito? Please comment down below.